And I always like, if I get a little nest egg, then I just spin it. And my back's always against the wall and I'm always swinging. Ain't no sense hauling that back to needle point. I'll get down in there with the whole needle point, as Cole calls it. This might be the last time you see my mic fall and break my neck. Oh, god damn, my knees ain't like they used to be. Every time I do that, it hurts. Oh, we gotta, this is like getting sherbet ice cream or whatever it is. We got a little bit of flavor in there. A little flavor flav. Hey, if you ain't living, or you ain't dreaming, you're just sleeping. We're living. The 90s, 2000s. Great time to be alive. Let's shoulder son of a bitch. Well, we're recalculating. It's nasty. That's what you say this time of year. You never know what you're gonna get, but supposed to go regrade a septic today. I went and checked it out, it was all good, and it poured rain for an hour and a half. So hammering the units, going to get gravel. We're gonna try to get Toby finished up in front. Let's go. I don't even know what we're getting into, so you're gonna have to come with me. We can figure this out together. So yeah, we recalculated back to this one. It's pretty good. Toby's here. I want to get this cut in. Hammer's getting gravel. Get all this graveled so he's out of the mud. And then really all I gotta do is move this, backfill around here, which fortunately it dries out good here. But Monday's the last day of nice good weather. And then we got rain for like, oh shit, a week. But we are in November. Tomorrow is opening day of deer season, gun, which I don't know about that. I used to be huge into deer hunting and stuff, but I ain't even went in the last 2-3 years. To be honest with you, I'm sitting up there either thinking about where I could be riding my dirt bike or pushing stuff with my dozer. Hey, look at this. I need to get this in and get it. I'm not being too good on my equipment, am I? I got a laundry list of stuff to do this friggin' winter. Plus I got 2 rentals that I got to do, and I'm looking at another one Tuesday, a big building. Hey, idle hands is the devil's workshop. That's what Idaho always says. I love it. That's what one of the, I don't know, somebody on social media is like, well, if you're always comfortable, you're never growing. And I was pretty comfortable. And I always like, if I get a little nest egg, then I just spin it. And my back's always against the wall and I'm always swinging. It's just the way it goes. So my back's against the wall and I'm starting to have to swing again. There is no easy street anymore. But I tell you, when I was digging those out with the 315, I was not impressed. We'll get into that a little bit later. Forgot how horrible this is. Hard to grade any type of ground when you're dealing with that crap. That's all this was rock. Try to run them rocks that were crushing down. You got to watch. This is a big old thick monolithic core, but anytime you're dealing with up against a building, these rocks, man, they'll hit the blade and turn, and they can go through walls and do some damage, that's for sure. Told you I heard that big C13 rolling in, puffing smoke and fire, with the hammer out of West Harrison laying the throttle to it. I'm gonna hit some old it's always an adventure, fam. Straighten her up. Come on back with your bad self. Straight back. What are you laughing at? At least he's always smiling. I smell antifreeze. I filled that thing up and poured it all over the damn turbo, I think. We'll have that, especially on them big ones. Look at that. It was pouring rain this morning. Now the sun's shining. Yeah, damn. It's a miracle. It's like the gutless wonder. She tightened up pretty good. That's good. Remember, we put that in with that roller, all them rocks and stuff. Look at that. That ain't even healing down. Just dump it in a pile and pull up as you dump it. I tell you what, anything to do with heavy equipment and moving dirt and this stuff, I love it. Seeing trucks go down the road, just love it. That's what I struggle with. Whoa! Bang that gate! See if the needle point's in there. Maybe we'll get up there and clean that out. Is that needle point shovel in there? Probably ought to get up in there and get that out of bed.
What's in there?
A little bit of units. Ain't no sense hauling that back to Newport. I'll get down in there with the whole needle point, as Cole calls it. This might be the last time you see my microphone break my neck. We'll give Toby some pit cleanup here from somebody else's job, right? Right, unit?
Right.
Oh, god damn, my knees ain't like they used to be. Every time I do that, it hurts. Oh, we gotta, this is like getting sherbet ice cream or whatever it is. We got a little bit of flavor in there. A little Flavor Flav. Might be dying here, but I even got blacktop it. I know that's been in there since Hubert had it. I've never hauled blacktop. We'll give Teddy everything. We'll give it all, baby. Outgoing! Hey, if you ain't living, if you ain't dreaming, you're just sleeping. We're living. The 90s, 2000s. Great time to be alive. Let's shoulder. Son of a bitch. Last time I kicked him, blew my groin out and was making a joke. It didn't really happen. Get it! I did work out today. Get on out of here, Hammer! Oh, we'll make sure we get the needle point back in the truck.
Okay.
That's your needle point. Got Carlito helping the customer and he damn pushed him over the ledge trying to take him out. Let's get all this knocked down. Knocked into submission. Might as well. Hopefully by the time you're watching this, I got something that's going to pertain to all the dirt family. And it'll be on the site there. I know I've been talking about for a while, it's just a process. I guess I'm waiting for some approvals, you would say? I don't know. I said I do too much talking on here, and that's funny because when I started YouTube I didn't want to talk, but now if I don't talk it feels like I'm not connected with y'all. I'm just talking because I love you, that's it. Don't take offense. glory, he's off. I mentioned topsoil, and he's gonna go get topsoil for Monday for that septic job. How'd I do? I about ripped the bat off. I seen that thing swinging and swaying, banging and banging. That laid in there real nice. How'd I lay it in there, Cole?
Real nice.
That's right.